Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make soup easy at home. First, select a high-quality broth or stock, which forms the essential base of your soup. Next, prepare your vegetables by chopping them into consistent, bite-sized pieces to ensure they cook evenly. Then, gently sauté aromatics such as onions, carrots, and celery in a pot to develop a rich flavor profile. Finally, combine all ingredients and simmer for at least 20 to 30 minutes, allowing the flavors to fully integrate and deepen. Building great soup flavor starts with quality ingredients. Opt for fresh, seasonal vegetables whenever possible, as they offer superior taste and texture. Don't forget to layer in herbs and spices. A pinch of thyme or a bay leaf can transform your dish. For a more substantial meal, include proteins such as shredded chicken, lentils, or cannellini beans. A small squeeze of lemon juice or a splash of vinegar at the end can surprisingly brighten all the flavors. Achieving the perfect soup texture is simpler than you think. For a classic thickener, create a roux by cooking 2 tablespoons of butter with 2 tablespoons of flour for 1 minute before adding liquid. Alternatively, for a naturally creamy soup, blend about 1/3 of your cooked ingredients until smooth, then return to the pot. Incorporating starchy vegetables like potatoes or a handful of rice can also add body. For extra richness, stir in a 1/4 cup of heavy cream or coconut milk just before serving. Proper storage ensures your delicious homemade soup lasts longer. Always allow your soup to cool completely to room temperature before transferring it to airtight containers. It will keep well in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. For longer storage, freeze portions in freezer-safe containers or bags for up to 3 months. When reheating, do so gently on the stovetop. Finally, elevate your serving with simple garnishes like fresh parsley, a dollop of sour cream, or crunchy homemade croutons.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.